Reality feels stable, structured, and continuous, but physics suggests it may be moving toward a final state, not just the end of stars or galaxies, but a condition where the universe reaches complete equilibrium. This final state would mark the end of all processes, where nothing new can happen and everything becomes fundamentally unchanging. From the beginning, the universe has been evolving. The Big Bang created energy and matter, which form stars, galaxies, and complex systems, but every process consumes usable energy, gradually pushing the universe toward a state of maximum entropy. Entropy measures disorder. As it increases, energy becomes more evenly distributed. This process leads toward a state where no differences exist to drive motion or change, bringing the universe closer to its final condition. In this final state, often called heat death, the universe becomes cold and dark. Stars have burned out, and galaxies no longer shine. Only faint radiation and isolated particles remain scattered across vast space. Black holes may dominate the universe for a long time. They consume matter and energy, becoming the last significant structures in existence. However, even these objects are temporary. Through Hawking radiation, black holes slowly lose mass and eventually evaporate. This process takes an incredibly long time, but it ensures that even the most powerful objects will disappear. After the last black hole fades, the universe becomes nearly empty. Only low-energy particles and radiation remain, drifting without interaction in an expanding void. Time becomes difficult to define in such a state. Without events or changes, there is no way to measure progression. The universe exists in a state where nothing evolves. Some theories suggest that matter itself may not last forever. Protons could decay, breaking down into simpler particles and further reducing the complexity of the universe. As particles spread out, interactions become extremely rare. The universe approaches a state of near-perfect isolation, where each particle exists independently. Quantum fluctuations may still occur, briefly creating particles from energy. However, these events are rare and short-lived, unable to form lasting structures. Another possibility is that the universe undergoes a deeper transformation. A change in vacuum energy could alter the laws of physics, replacing the current universe with a new form of reality. In such a transition, everything would be instantly redefined. Matter, forces, and even space-time could behave in entirely different ways. The final state of reality may not be an ending in the traditional sense. It could be a transition into something beyond our understanding, where familiar concepts no longer apply. Whether the universe fades into silence or transforms into something new, the final state represents the limit of all processes and structures. The final state of reality is not just the end of the universe, it is the end of change itself. A condition where nothing happens, nothing evolves, and existence becomes a quiet, unchanging presence beyond time and meaning.